This brief tutorial will focus on achieving student-centered teaching when incorporating technology as part of our teaching methods. Student-centered teaching forms one of 8 educational considerations which should be taken into account when designing blended learning. So, what is student-centered teaching? An effective learning experience creates a student-centered environment which recognises the needs and nature of today's student. For example, implementing a virtual learning environment allows students to access their work anytime and anywhere, thus accommodating the student. So how does the research relate to student-centered teaching? Bridge and Appleyard conducted a comparative research study comparing online submission and feedback to traditional paper-based methods. They concluded that 88% of students thought it was considerably time-saving. They actually liked the idea of having paper copies of feedback for their portfolio, the safety of having an online copy in case it got mislaid, and the issue of handwriting illegibility was also solved. So, how can one use Ulink to promote student-centered teaching? An example of this is the assignment tool in the business school. They have chosen to adopt online submission across the school, which creates a student-centered environment. Other examples of Ulink tools and features which might be used include an online glossary of terminology. This could be used to facilitate the student's learning process. Think about other ways in which other tools and features could be used within Ulink to promote this educational consideration.